CVap Preventative Maintenance. The key to equipment longevity and reducing expensive equipment repairs is a robust preventative maintenance plan. This video covers the recommended daily, quarterly, and annual maintenance. Daily maintenance. Before performing any maintenance, disconnect the unit from the power source and allow the unit to cool for at least 30 minutes. Perform daily cleaning procedures as follows. Place an empty container below the drain valve. Open the drain valve and allow the unit to drain. Remove and clean the rack supports using a stainless steel safe detergent. Next, clean the food chamber and evaporator pan with a food-grade stainless steel safe detergent. Ensure to wipe the entire interior surface to remove all food deposits. Inspect for scale buildup in the evaporator pan, the water level sensor, and the water temperature probe. If scale is present, apply a descaling agent and remove any scale buildup. Ensure to read all warnings and follow the instructions listed on any descaling agent used. Rinse all interior surfaces thoroughly and dry with a towel. Rinse, dry, then replace the rack supports. Using a damp rag or glass cleaner, clean the controller glass. Close the drain valve, then reconnect the equipment to electrical power. Quarterly maintenance. Inspect the door gaskets for wear or any rips or tears. Replace the gasket if necessary. Inspect the exterior of the cabinet for any loose screws. Tighten if necessary. Inspect the doors. Ensure that the handle and hinges are secure. Ensure that the doors are aligned correctly. Adjust the doors if necessary. Inspect the drain valve for any leaks. Remove heater covers and ensure that all heaters are clean and secure. Inspect the controller readout. Ensure that all buttons and readouts are functioning correctly. Set the unit to a specific set point and verify that the unit heats up to those set points. Inspect around the unit bottom and look for any leaks or damaged casters. If equipped, ensure that the circulating fan is working properly. Inspect the cooling fans and ensure that they are both working and free of debris. Annual preventative maintenance. With the unit disconnected from its power source, have an authorized service agent perform the following annual inspection. Inspect the power cord for loose and frayed connections. Remove the unit top and inspect for loose or burnt wiring. Remove the lower access panel and inspect all internal plumbing, probe wires, sensor wires, and heaters. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the Winston Customer Care Team.